Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am and all my dear friends present over here. My name is Marudha Praveen Chavule from grade 7. I am here to lead today's morning assembly from Valmiki House. As the day has been started, I would like to call Asher Sayyed to tell today's day and date.
Good morning, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Asher. I am today tell you today day and date. Day is Tuesday and today date is 3rd September 2024. Have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, Asher. Now, to make thoughtful, I would like to call Asya Jamadar to tell today's thought of the day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Asiya Nasir Hussain Jamadar. I am studying in 3rd standard. Today I am going to tell you today's good thought. Today's good thought is think outside the box and find creative solution and problem. Meaning, if example, creative underground and not limited by rules. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Asya. History tells us what is happened on this day in the past. So, to tell today's history of the day, I would like to call Daksh Mahajan from grade 7.
Good morning, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Dakshar Mahajan. From grade 7. Today I am here to present today's history of the day. First, the Armed Force Day in Taiwan. Second, in 2013, Microsoft purchased Nokia for 7.2 billion. Third, in 1971, French Constituency passed. Fourth, the Skyscraper Day. Fifth, the Merchants Navy Day. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Daksh. News reflect our society and what is happening in our world. So, to tell today's news, I would like to call Anshul Patil from grade 7.
Good morning, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Anshul Sushan Patil, studying in 7th standard. Today I am here to tell you today's news headlines. Today's news headlines are: first, heavy rain lashed Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. Second, in Bengaluru, second Vande Bharat prototype sleeper train unveiled in India. Third, in Paralympics 2024, Day 4, Manisha win 4th badminton semi-final. Fourth, Jai Shah thanks Kohli, Rohit, Gambhir and others being elected as ICC boss. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Anshul. Idiom makes our language beautiful and attractive. So, to tell today's idiom, I would like to call Junaid Mujawar from grade 5th.
Very fabulous morning to one and all. Myself Junaid Mujawar from class 5th. Today I am here to tell you today's idiom of the day. Today's idiom is cost an arm and a leg, meaning extremely expensive. Sentence: the car cost from them an arm and a leg. Thank you and have a fabulous day.
Thank you, Junaid. Our life is incomplete without learning every day. So, that is new word, and new word means vocabulary. So, to tell today's vocabulary, I would like to call Arshil Jamadar from grade 4.
Good morning everyone. My name is Arshil Zakir Hussain Jamadar. I am studying in 4th standard. Today I am going to tell today's vocabulary of the day. Today's vocabulary of the day is multi-storied. I repeat my word, multi-storied. I spell my word multi-storied, multi-storied. It means several floors. Sentence. I have parked my car in multi-storied building. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, Arshil. As the time has passed, it is time to wrap up our assembly. So, I declare that assembly is over. Thank you and nice day ahead.